Struggling for techniques to do on the foot? In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the best methods for a complete treatment. Keep up, this is going to be quick. We can start with a foot flop, just to get the foot nice and relaxed. So heel of hand underneath the ankle joint there. And then we can apply some lotion to start our massage techniques. So a alternating hand effleurage over the base of the foot and the top part of the foot. And we can work a little bit deeper on the base. So you can use the heel of your hand into the plantar surface. We'll move to a thumb kneading down the plantar fascia on the foot. This is really good for plantar fasciitis, but we are using thumbs a lot. So let's change that now to knuckles, which do the same job, and give your thumb a bit of a break. We can also use it as an Effleurage du Poing technique, so using the fist on the base of the foot, which can take quite a lot of pressure. From here, we can then move to a traction technique. So we hold on to the metatarsals and we're moving the metatarsals back and forward just to try and stretch those intrinsic foot muscles. Okay, move to the next and the next. You can see how much movement these ones have on the end there. A little bit stiff in the middle. So from here, we can do some friction techniques between those metatarsals. And it can feel a little bit of discomfort in there. At any point in a foot massage, I always go to just circling and just feeling that mobility, trying to encourage the movement. And from there, we can effleurage to finish. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one.